Deep in the heart of Greenleaf Forest, the animals were excited. The Great Forest Feast was coming, a day when everyone brought food to share. But this year, things were different. The weather had been hot, and food was hard to find. Everyone worried, what will we eat for the feast? Don't worry, said Timi the Squirrel, twitching his tail. If we all work together, we'll make it the best feast ever. But Lala the parrot laughed. Ha! I'll just wait for others to find food. Why should I tire my wings? And Fifi the fox smirked. I'll find something on my own, I don't need anyone's help. So, the animals went their own ways. Scene 1. Timi the Squirrel's plan. Timi climbed tall trees, gathering nuts. He called to the others. Let's share what we find. Kuku the Tortoise carried fruit slowly on his shell. Mimi the monkey helped by shaking down ripe bananas. Working together, they filled a big basket with food. Scene 2. The Lone Hunters. Meanwhile, Fifi the fox searched all day but found nothing. Every fruit was taken, every hole empty. Lala the parrot got tired of flying and ended up eating just one tiny seed. They both felt hungry and sad. Scene 3. The Feast. That evening, the forest glowed with laughter. Timi, Kuku, and Mimi laid out nuts, bananas, berries, and juicy fruits. Everyone cheered. What a feast! Fifi and Lala arrived quietly, their stomachs rumbling. Timi smiled kindly. Come, eat with us. There's enough for everyone, Lala blushed. We should,